Howdy folks, this is WonderMind25 and today we're going to complete the installation of the Citrix Netscaler Moz appliance. In the last video, if you didn't see that already, we installed two instances, two nodes of the Netscaler Moz appliance, and we then configured them through the local console or CLI. And today we're going to complete the GUI installation of that install. Stay tuned and here we go. Alright, so minimize the screen so you can see. nsroot. Alright, so I'm going to skip the user experience and I had this online earlier. So you'll see that the floating IP is not active at this point, but I can log in directly to the first node. So this should have actually prompted me for a, oh, there it is. So get started. Nope, that's not it either. Alright, so I'm going to go to System, Deployment, and then I'm going to hit Deploy. In previous installations, as soon as you log in, it's supposed to come up to a screen very similar to this. And if you're doing a HA pair, you would hit Next, saying that there's two instances, and then you would click Deploy over here, which we are going to do right now. Also, I think I want to make sure that both nodes are powered on. Yep, alright, so let's do that. So yes, reboot. Now during this time, it's going to do a 10-minute cycling of the two boxes. And I'll have that up here. So it should be the first node that reboots first. And that should happen around 8 minutes remaining, and then again around 4 to 5 minutes. I'll leave it the screen up until the first reboot, and then I'll bring it back once the second one reboots, and then again when they've both completed. Alright, as you can see, the first node is rebooting first, and that is at approximately 9 minutes. Alright, so we're about at 5 minutes. We should be rebooting on the secondary node very soon. Oh, there we go. So shut down, yep, right on time. Alright, so let's see. Floating IP still not available. Alright, well, it looks like we are good to go now. So both Netscaler instances are rebooted. I'm still counting down though. I'm at 3 minutes. However, last I refreshed, when I did so on the floating IP, I now have the certificate error warning. So now I will log in using the nsroot login. And as you can see, I'm at the dashboard. And if I go to System, Deployment, I now have two nodes, or two instances of the nodes that are both green. And let's see, HA settings, and they're using the proper IP. I don't know why it says 40. Maybe that's because I messed it up. I'll change that, even though it was not the case. Alright, note to self, when I changed that, it took a really long time to initiate and give me access back to this console. So wouldn't recommend changing it, even if it does say it's wrong. It was obviously correct because I was using the same IP. It might have been wrong because I entered it incorrectly the first time running the wizard, and then even though it was there, it was not displaying correctly. But anyway, we now have it displaying correctly, and it is working correctly. It just took quite a while to change it and get back around. So anyway, we will close out of this. And as I was showing you earlier, we're both green on the two nodes, 40 being our primary and 41 being our secondary, and we are connected to the floating IP that's shared between the two. What else can I show you while we're in here? Okay, at this point I'm going to stop the video and break the series into 3 parts. The third part is going to be me adding storage to the two nodes, since we have a limited amount of storage on just the default installation of the two appliances. So please stay tuned, like, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Thank you. Bye.